How to fix Instagram post colorful like not working problem. So if you want to fix Instagram post colorful like not working problem, then what you need to do is first you just need to simply open up your Instagram application. After opening an Instagram, like for example, if I try to like this, then as you can see that I'm getting different colored likes, right? I get purple likes, I get orange likes. So if you want the same colorful likes and if it's not working on your Instagram application, then what you need to do is just simply go back and then you need to open up your Play Store. After opening your Play Store, you need to go with search, and under search, you need to search for Instagram. After searching, if you have any updates on your Instagram, just go and update it because the colorful like option is with the newest update. So make sure that you've updated your application, and after updating, you will have the newest updates. Now, even after updating, if that doesn't fix your problem, then what you need to do is just go back and then find your Instagram, tap and hold on to your Instagram, and then go with the app info, which is right here. And once you tap on the app info, you can go with storage and cache. And on the right side, you will have clear cache. Just tap on clear cache. And once you've cleared your cache, your problem might be fixed. You can just go back and restart your device, and that's it. That's how you can fix. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.